Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Komisi benta ke jenis nok tilang bat ke perthai Jylliew ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association kalapan pena bahkan Rakhe ya ke Olympic Day haka arpulai terik Bnai Jylliew hajar kat pra. On sedang ya kini kesngi nadu ke por menstep dak ke jenis kop yang mare ke 10 kilometer haka baka khusnam pisah ya ki nong job shenrang bat kenthai kan long 10 jar ya ki bon baar nyaw jar bat san hajar ya ki bapoi hakaran ke balai kan dan ru ke jenis kop mare tang na ke benta ki kena kibadang hapo kan rius nem kerta belatip kum ka run for fun hakesingi ka buat ka program Rakhe kan long da ka jingpin ipat ba khamtam ni kisam laken thai ya ka rukom kumno banla banya dai le die lani ka self defense ling ba ki arli ki jingle kai kum ka karate bat taekwondo ya ka bala khot sngo bhai ki khna school kibadan ha ka nong ba bakin pha ya la ki khna school banwani shimta shikni ka program ka ban long ha ka por khatoi bichem step ha state central library
State Olympic Association to promote the Olympic movement in the states. That is the basic objective. This year there is a theme. The theme is move, learn and discover. 3 words. The State Olympic Association, after discussing, we've come out with a few programs on the 23rd. For the move theme, we are having the Shillong 10K. So the Shillong 10K will be an open category race where there will be some participants from all over the state, and there's a prize money of 10,000 for the first prize, 7,000 for the second, and 5,000 for the third prize for both men and women. Besides that, all the young people below 16 years, we will have a run for fun. That is for 16 years and below, and for senior citizens if they want to join in this program. So that is the move part of it. In the learn part, they can create the State Olympic Association responsibility to promote self-defense. So we have organized a program in State Central Library from 11 onwards where the Karate Association, Taekwondo Association and Wushu Association will demonstrate self-defense, especially for the girl child. And in this regard, we have invited about 20 schools, and from each school, we are looking at participation of 30 students each in State Central Library. And in between, we will also have after the learn part. So we will move on to the discover, and in the discover, in the premises of the State Central Library itself, we will have a demonstration of fencing, a new sport, and sport climbing by these respective associations.